Your dog has never said I love you, not once, and yet somehow deep down you already know because you felt it in quiet moments you couldn't explain. Maybe it was a look that lasted a little longer than usual, or the weight against your leg that felt like more than warmth in an ordinary moment. What if I told you your dog has been saying it every single day in ways so quiet you might have missed them completely without realizing it? These aren't the obvious things people talk about. This is something much deeper, something happening right in front of you that most people never truly notice. So slow down for a moment and stay here, because the most meaningful parts of this connection are usually the easiest to overlook. Sign 1. They bring you something when you walk through the door. It's never really about the sock or the toy or whatever random object they picked up from the floor in that moment. When your dog rushes to grab something as you arrive home that's not training or habit, it's emotion searching for a physical form. They hear your footsteps, your car, the sound of keys turning, and in that instant, their focus shifts entirely toward you. That object becomes their way of holding something while they process how much they missed you and how much it means that you're back. They're not just greeting you, they're offering something, even if it's small, even if it doesn't make sense to you at first. That simple act carries more meaning than it looks like on the surface, because it's their instinctive way of sharing excitement and connection. Sign 2. They check on you without being asked. You're in another room doing nothing special. And quietly your dog walks in, looks at you briefly, then leaves without needing anything. This isn't boredom or routine behavior. It's a simple check to make sure you're still there, still safe, still part of their world. They don't need a reason to come find you. They just need confirmation that everything is the way it's supposed to be. There's something deeply human about that quiet act, showing up without needing anything, just to confirm your presence still exists. And when they do it at night, gently touching you while you sleep or standing near your bed for a moment, it means you were their first thought again. Before hunger, before noise, before anything else in their environment, they chose to find you and make sure you're there. Sign 3. The way they sleep near you, not on you. But near you, sometimes your dog doesn't sleep directly on you, but instead settles a few feet away, still facing you in quiet awareness. They're not anxious or seeking comfort from fear. They simply want to exist within your space where everything feels complete and calm. That distance is not absence, it's choice. And there's something powerful about being chosen without needing to ask for it. They position themselves where they can see you, hear you, and sense you, even if there's no direct physical contact between you. It shows they feel safe enough that your presence alone is enough, without needing constant reassurance or attention to stay grounded. That kind of quiet companionship is rare, and your dog offers it naturally without expecting anything in return. Sign 4. They lean into you. You're standing or sitting somewhere ordinary, and your dog walks over and gently presses their body weight against you without making a sound. No barking, no pawing, no demand for attention, just warmth and pressure that feels intentional and quietly meaningful in that moment. That lean is not accidental. It's a physical expression of trust, a way of saying being close to you simply feels right to them. Dogs understand space very well. They know how to move without touching, so when they choose to close that space, it matters. In that moment, your dog is choosing connection without needing anything else, just existing beside you in complete comfort. It's one of the simplest forms of affection, but also one of the most honest ones they can show. Sign 5. They follow your eyes. Not just your hands. You might not notice it at first, but when you look somewhere, your dog often follows your gaze without needing sound or movement. They're not reacting to the environment. They're reacting to you, studying your focus and learning what matters through your attention. Over time, they begin to understand the world by understanding you, your expressions, your reactions, and your subtle emotional signals. This means your dog is constantly observing you in ways that go beyond simple commands or routine behavior. That level of awareness isn't basic instinct, it's something built through trust, observation, and a deep emotional connection over time. For them, understanding you becomes part of understanding everything else around them in their daily life. Sign 6. They stay calm with you during hard moments. When you're going through something difficult, your dog changes in a way that feels quiet, but incredibly noticeable if you pay attention. They don't try to distract you or fix anything. They simply come closer, sit beside you, and stay present in that moment. Dogs sense emotional shifts through small details, your voice, your breathing, your posture, and even changes you don't notice yourself. Instead of pulling away, they adjust to your emotional state and remain steady, offering presence without needing to do anything more. It's not random comfort, it's connection. Choosing to sit with you in silence, because sometimes presence is all that matters. That quiet support often says more than anything else possibly could in that moment. Sign 7. The long, slow blink. You're sitting together without anything special happening, and your dog looks at you softly, then slowly closes and opens their eyes. In the animal world, a hard stare can signal tension, but a slow blink removes that completely and replaces it with calm and trust. That moment shows they feel no need to guard themselves around you, no alertness, no tension, just quiet peace in your presence. It's a small gesture that often goes unnoticed, but it carries a clear signal of comfort and emotional safety. If you return it gently, that shared exchange becomes something simple but real. A silent understanding that doesn't need words. One more thing before you go. There's a reason all of this is quiet. Not because dogs lack emotion, but because real connection doesn't always need language to exist. It lives in presence, in small repeated moments, in the way someone chooses to stay close without needing a reason every single time. Your dog has been showing you this from the beginning, through ordinary moments that felt small but carried something much deeper underneath. They don't measure love in big actions. They express it through consistency, through staying, through always returning back to you. And maybe what matters most is this: they don't love you for what you do. They love you for who you are to them. You are their person, their safe place, their entire familiar world. And to them, you have always been enough exactly as you are.